Good morning, it's TimWanderer. Another day, another trip. This time we're going to Stanthorpe. Now, I haven't been there before, and it's gonna be a 3 days, 2 nights. There are a couple of national parks there, and we're gonna do a couple hikes. The missus wants to visit vineyard. I'm not a wine drinker, but why not? Let's give that a try. Anyway, come and join us.
All that,
yep.
$5 per person, and it comes with a little ramekin biscuits as well. I'm not big on blue cheeses, but I can manage these.
Okay.
The blue monkey's got a bit more of a stronger taste to it. But yeah, if you're not sure, you probably might be able to do the blue lagoon.
I like blue cheese.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the smoky one, the outlaw.
I don't like that one.
That one. Should be apples, right?
Apple juice.
Oh, wow.
That's your with the mixed berry one.
Poke. Mummy for you.
Thank you.
It's crunchy. Truffle discovery.
Hello,
Hi
how
there.
are you?
On the farmers in the district.
How long have you been here?
25 years.
Oh, wow. And the cabin's always been here?
Quite new now, right?
Oh, wow.
Bottom bunk's bigger.
What a view. It's very good. And new. Where's the kangaroos? Kangaroosy. Do you want a carrot? First time using a fireplace. In Brisbane you wouldn't need one, but this place actually provided one, so
And we did it together because in case like you may regenerate instead of moving. If you choose to regenerate, he'll.
So today's plan is going to be a bit of a tracks over to the national park. Today we are doing a Granite Arch and the pyramid. More difficult walks. Can't wait. Yeah.
Okay.
There's water everywhere. A little track. Morning. Good morning. Wow. What did you have for breakfast? The resident joker. Oh, that's a good steak.
People got it wrong way.
Wrong side.
Really?
Yes. Yeah. Now that we've done the Granite Arch, we are going for the pyramid, which is one of the more difficult walks. So far, so good. Steps. Man, that's crazily unfit. Oh my god.
I'm so excited.
My dad is an idiot and he's so fat that he can't even climb, so he's resting. Us girls who are obviously better climb to girl power.
Hand on the top corner. Step on the page.
So those are the white dots that we have to follow.
Okay, you want to put your foot up here. And then into the little ditch. Guys, we made it to the top and this is the really big view.
So now that we've done the pyramid and the Granite Arch, we're going to try it out 4x4. There's a 4-wheel drive track further down. Section become boggy and rutted. Yep, we will give that a try. Worst case, do a 3-point turn and U-turn out, hopefully, or reverse out. I'm fine either case. I am high clearance for 4x4. What? Well, I was hoping to do some 4x4 driving today, but apparently no such luck. All right, let's go back out for lunch. Ooh, what kind do you want? What? What? Here. Oh, it's coming back, yay!
By itself?
Yeah. I lost control. That's it. My last step on this day.
That's a kangaroo. They're both kangaroos.
They are kangaroos.
Good.
So 3 days, 2 nights at Just Wet Red Wine's cabin. Done and dusted. Loved the place. It's really neat and very modern. Got all the facilities you need, showers, toilets and everything. So it's great. Oh, and if you never used a fireplace before, great place to try it out. It's great. It's so cold and we loved it. Lots of new experiences and lots of yummy food. Cheese, wine, apples, definitely top of our list. Worth coming, and we visit a couple national parks as well. It's a bit of a shame we couldn't do the 4x4 or the 4-wheel drive track, but we'll come back maybe one day. The weather's perfect. It's a bit of a drive, about 3 hours south of Brisbane or southwest of Brisbane. But then once you get out here, don't just stay for one day. It's plenty of things to see and look at. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye.